All right, starting the stream now. 1 second. Okay, it's live, so let me grab the link, copy, and then that way I could pin it, right? So doing some trading today. And now link, let me put the little screenshot in here. But I mean, I do plan on selling some ETH anyways, just to, like, I want to take advantage of 40K in, on BlockFi. So 40K in BlockFi, oh, hold on, let me go to, is 9%. So I was going to pull that out anyways. But I was just watching because right now there's a level on Ethereum that's 4100. If 4100 breaks, that's going to be very scary for Ethereum. So I'm definitely, if it gets there, I'm selling. I might, and I'll probably sell more than 40K, but like 40K I want to move to BlockFi. I might move more, but I actually need to I wonder if I can do a phone call while on Twitter Spaces. Oh sure, I can't. I guess I can't really mute on my stream, so I guess I won't do that. Well, it looks like it's strong. I'm looking at the 15 minutes by the way, guys. The 15 minutes SOL ETH pair and 15-minute Ethereum. Okay, nice recovery from 178 on Solana and 4100 on ETH. I'll show you what this second line is on ETH. It's this right here. It's the height of this right here. Let me circle it. Right. So if that was a support number I was looking at. So nice recovery, but look at this. There's a lot of volume right here. So hopefully the bears are exhausted after a couple of rounds of this, but we'll see. This could play out. This could continue to break down. So, and this is fun, guys. I haven't done technical trading in a while, so yeah. Hey, what's up, QJ? How's it going?
Sorry, I'm good. Just doing day trading and for the company.
Yeah. So my question, well, my thoughts are, my thinking as I'm looking at this ETH chart, I was going to pull out 40K anyways, so where would I sell is the question, right? It depends on how it happens too. That's the thing. It's not just levels, but how does it break through with conviction? Is it a lot of volume? Then I can wait a little longer, right? Like I don't have to sell at 4200. I can wait till 43, or 43 breaks with conviction. I can wait till 44. But yeah.
You're trading into SOL?
Into USDC, and then sending USDC to BlockFi.
Oh, okay.
ETH USDC, not Solana USDC, because it's an ERC20.
Leon, what was your long-term price prediction on SOL, like a year out?
I'm not going a year out. I'm going the top of this cycle, right? Which could be a year out, or it could be 6 months from now. It could be 4 months from now. But basically, 2022, right? It's a range. It's somewhere between $1,000 and $2,000 on Solana.
Yeah, you think it could 4 or 5x in 6 months?
That's a 10x. Yeah. But yeah, 5 to 10x. Yeah. This cycle is not over. It's just they're getting extended. A lot of people were like, a lot of people thought we're gonna have a crypto top in December, but I'm like, what are you guys smoking? Like just follow. The only person you need to follow on YouTube is follow me, but I don't stream that often. But you need to follow Into the Cryptoverse by Ben Cohen. Just follow. Don't follow BitBoy. Guys like Crypto Ran and BitBoy, they're fun to follow. Like when the market is ripping, because it's just hype, right? It's just hype. You want to feel good, but like, dude, don't listen to them for like any kind of like technicals or anything like that. For technicals, you want to follow Into the Cryptoverse. Okay, so I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart now. Yeah, that was a big sell off as well. By the way, guys, we had like a 5-6% sell off in the last several 15 minutes candles, 9% sell off in the day. But yeah. Solana back to 181. 15 minutes still looking good on both ETH and. Oh, wait, I'm streaming, right? So let me just pull up YouTube into the cryptoverse. This guy. You guys need to subscribe to this guy today. So lengthening cycles, right? Let me just pull up one of his videos. Bitcoin market cycle. This will be a good one. Beauty of mathematics. That's a good one. Yeah, let's go to this. Let's look at the timeline. So market cycles, ROI, the lengthening. Where's the lengthening cycle one? Right here. So this is from November 10th, right? So this is about a month ago, but this is a good one. I'll just zoom ahead. See right here, lengthening cycles, guys. So the blue one was like 2011. The red one is, oh, let me maximize this. The red one is 2013. The yellow one was 2017, and the current, the regular candlesticks is current time, right? So looks like this is clearly showing that the top is more likely in 2022. It could even extend into 2023. I think that's unlikely. Just like I thought the top in 2021 was unlikely. So we're gonna box this sometime, the top happening in crypto sometime in 2022. I think Q2 is more likely, but I mean we could see a Q1 if stuff goes parabolic. But yeah, targets on Bitcoin anywhere from like 100 to 200K, or more, like just depending on how things are looking, could be more like 150 to 250, or 150 to 240. Ethereum, 10 to 20K, 10K bearish, 20K more bullish. I mean, more likely in my opinion, based on Ethereum following Bitcoin. And Solana, my original target for Solana was $500 to $1,000, but it got to $200 a lot quicker. So I re-upped my thesis. Again, this is just my opinion, not financial advice, but yeah, somewhere from $1,000 to $2,000 for Solana. And that's sometime in 2022. Okay, so that's lengthening cycles. Let me screenshot this actually. Let me screenshot this. I'll tweet that later. Let's look at the price. Okay, so the new 15 minutes has started. So let's see if this is a red or green. When I'm doing short-term trading, the 15-minute candlestick is the furthest you want to go out. So we've got to get over the top wick of the last 15-minute. Let me zoom in some. Let me get rid of this, and let me just get rid of this. Okay, cool. I've got volume profile up. That's what the yellow and blue is. So basically, if you see this, that we've got the 4,200 was the big accumulation range, and then right here supported at 4,100. So there's a big kind of volume gap up here. So that should allow ETH to get back up to 4,200, but we'll see. So this top wick was 41.53. So we've got to close above that to be bullish. This is not really 3 white soldiers, I think. Let me look at this. 3 white soldiers. I think you need full bodies in the 3 white soldiers. Yeah. See, this is more 3 white soldiers right here. That's a bullish pattern, but this is kind of super choppy right here. I don't know if this counts. Maybe 3 ghetto soldiers. Okay, hold on. Here we go. I mean 3 white soldiers that are drunk. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, look at this guy right here. Shooting star pattern, reversing. But we have 12 minutes to go in this 15-minute candle, so it just started. Oh, there's probably people asking questions on YouTube. Nope, no one's asking questions. Oh, do I have time to listen into Wonderland? No idea what that is. People showing stuff. Okay, so it's red. We still have 12 minutes to go in this new 15-minute candle. This is training, guys. You cannot leave your monitor. While that is going, let me do something else on here. But yeah, any questions? Anyone want to come up? Oh, let me make you guys a co-host. I'm gonna go do this for like another 30 minutes or so. Oh, Hasher, you're gonna be a co-host for the first time. Oh, wait, where'd you go? Oh, he left. Oh, you became a monkey.
I'm here. Yeah.
Oh, dude, nice. You got an SMB, dude? Hell yeah. Hey, post that on Twitter so I can share that.
I did. Got no love from the SMB crew though.
No, because nobody knows about it. I'll retweet it. You'll get some love. But hold on 1 second. I gotta check something here.
I got a lot of love from the Degen 8 community.
It just has to be tweeted. Like no one's gonna see it if you just tweet it. You know what I'm saying? That the Twitter works with a certain way. Okay, 1 second. Sorry. Going through something right here at the moment. 1 second. Let me look for something here. So guys, if you're just joining, oh hey Nepa, let me bring her up. Let me invite as co-host. I'm only allowed 2 co-hosts. Well, who's the other co-host?
I just saw that. I accepted.
Oh. Yeah, you're co-host for the first time, man.
Huh.
Hey Nepa. Oh, she didn't come up.
Do I need to let her up or something?
Only if she requests. Maybe she doesn't want to talk.
Oh, my bad. Hey, what's up?
Hey. I'm doing some technical training at the moment because the charts were looking a little scary. But I do plan on selling some ETH anyways. But I saw the action happening. I was like, okay, maybe I need to sell a little sooner, because just to go into USDC and have some cash for the holidays, and I don't really need it, but it's just I kind of want to have a USDC position going into Christmas.
Yeah, I think it's a smart idea. I need a cash position, so I can take advantage of all the downfalls. Because as of now, I don't have any advantage. Like I can't buy anything in dips.
Yeah. I can only have 2.
Hi, Gambit. What'd you say, Leon?
I'm sending you the co-host. Yeah, Gambit is here. Okay. Okay, look at that recovery, guys. 8 minutes to go in this 15 minute. That's great. So, you know what? I'm gonna call this 3 white soldiers. I think this is I'll just call this 3 white soldiers. That's 3 green candlesticks. Normally, you want it to be more fully bodied, but look at this. This right here on left is Solana, right is Ethereum. This is what you want to see for a nice reversal. You want to see that nice, healthy, this nice strong wick. And look at this volume. Nice strong volume. And not only that, but the next 15-minute candlestick closing above the previous one. The next one closing above the last one. And then another one closing above. So that's a good bullish reversal pattern right there.
There's a TTM squeeze going on ETH right now.
What's TTM?
It's I forget what it was the titles for, but what the letters stand for, but it's a squeeze play that happens usually before a breakout.
Oh, there we go.
In like red dots, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, yeah, I guess I'm not familiar with that. Don't use that pattern or that indicator. Oh, look at this! Look at this! Prices action volume is still kind of low, so little thin volume. Ooh, look at that! It's starting to get a little girthy over here. Come on,
I'm
ETH.
gonna pull up the charts myself now. I haven't looked up the charts in a minute.
Okay, so looking, yeah, tradingview.com, guys. Everyone here needs a paid plan. Like if you're in crypto, you have to know how to read a chart. You have to know how to read a chart just for the basic information of understanding what the market is doing, right? Like you can't tell like what's going on if you just look at price every single day. That's so limited information. By the way, look at Solana Go. So I'm looking at two red candlesticks back. The wick was at 182. And we have the body of the current candlestick. Now it's getting a finding a little battle. But if we can get above that, I mean, right now this is a great reversal. So I was gonna sell like a bunch of ETH if we broke 4100. We did not. 4100 held. And we got 6 minutes left in this 15-minute candlestick.
So, why did you say paid plan for TradingView? What's the benefits of that? Because I don't pay for TradingView. It might be the indicators that you use.
I guess yeah. You don't have to pay for TradingView. It's just you get that annoying pop up that comes up all the time. I had to get rid of that. Also, I think you're limited to like 3 indicators or four or something like that, really low. But yeah, no, you're right. You don't need it. You don't need it.
Well, and I see what you mean though, because if I want to go like down to 30 seconds on the chart, that's paid right there. I
Yeah.
think I can only do up to a minute. So yeah, I guess if you really wanted to actively trade, then you probably want to get it paid so you don't have to get into like all of that stuff that bumps in the way. So I see what you mean.
Yeah. Oh, somebody wants to come up.
That 30-second chart will drive you crazy though.
I'm saying.
Okay, so what do I
Wait,
have?
no, I'm not saying. I only look at the 1 minute because I don't pay for those. Ooh, I see I missed the dip though.
I used to watch even the 1 minute, and the 1 minute is too frantic. Honestly, when I first started trading, 1 minute, I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get the micro moves, you know? It's too frantic.
Actually, I know exactly what you mean because I actually learned how to read charts and stuff by doing Forex. I did a bunch of like practice trading on Forex because that stuff you don't really have to worry about the psychology of things. You just have to worry about money and currency and like the economy. So that's how I learned how to do charts. And that, yeah, I can't do 1 second at all.
And so, what's going on, y'all? Just wanted to add on the point of like having a paid trading view account, the alerts, right? So instead of you having to look at the charts all the time, instead of you with the free version, you only get one alert. You know, if you set for a buy or sell, or specific price level. If you have multiple alerts, if you even just go with the pro, and I think you'll get up to like 20 alerts. So if you want to set one for like ETH, you know, like at a specific like price level or a certain indicator that you use to like buy or exit your positions, it helps just to have like multiple alerts outside of just having one.
That's a
Very
good point.
helpful, thank you. I didn't know that.
Let me see here.
Yeah, and if you join and then, go through the process of like, pretending like you're going to pay for it and then stop, the next day they'll send you an email being like, hey, how about this price?
That's giving away some alpha right there, man.
Yeah, that's some alpha right there. If you like, you're the plan. Just go to cancel and say, hey, we'll lower it down for you. Let that happen to me a few times.
Yeah, and also the best times if you are to like purchase it are usually, which just happened like Black Friday, right? Trading usually has a really good deal, and then they'll have another one for Christmas, and I think it'd be like $100 just for the pro. It's like 108 for the pro version, and I think, there's some really good deals like around the Christmas or holiday seasons for like a lot of these programs.
Yeah.
Weird.
Okay, let's look at this. 15 minutes, 182 SOL, 4152 ETH.
Soul's going back down, volume's a little bit up.
Well, what
Yeah, we
candles are here?
rejected that 48K. It's getting rejected. This is the second rejection.
Yeah, that's happening for Solana too.
Yeah, the Bitcoin 15 minutes not looking that pretty, but it could have formed a base here. Let's see what's the other support. Okay, so if you're trading Bitcoin, like if 47,500 breaks, that's when you would get out. Oops. Wait, horizontal.
That's crazy how similar all these charts look. I'm only looking at Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin, but they're all going down right now. Once again.
Bitcoin might dip to wick to 46.6, but I wouldn't be too worried about it. I think we're pretty near the bottom on this pattern for a turnaround. We're basically at the bottom of a turnaround pattern, I think, on Bitcoin.
Oh shit, where do you see 40? How do you determine 46.6? We haven't hit that in a minute.
It's a Fibonacci level that I drew in.
Okay.
All right, we got 46 seconds left. Ooh, not looking good on this 15 minute. I'm trying to think, guys. Like, I want to move some money to BlockFi, just USDC. I'm trying to think, 60K or 50K. How much Ethereum should I sell? I'm thinking. Let me think. Let me run some numbers here. Alfred, I need to update my Alfred. Probably just sell 50K. If I do 60K, let's see.
It's more than I'm actually worth, dude.
So I think we're going to see a red day tomorrow, both in the markets and in Bitcoin. But I think we're going to see a turnaround on the weekend. That seems to be happening a lot.
Like a bearish breakdown, you saying?
Yeah, and then a recovery over the weekend, just in time to stabilize for Monday. The institutions are really playing around.
Oh, fuck them.
Yeah, I haven't been watching the stock market in forever. Let's look at the stock market and see what's the stock market doing. Still all-time high. It is kind of going flat though. God, what are these wicks? Anyways,
Evergrande officially defaulted today, so we might be seeing some rough market trends in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, this is not looking pretty on like this. I could see this breaking down too, but let's see. Let's see what Tesla's doing. Wait, Tesla. Why did that?
Man, I remember seeing online so many people were pissed at Plan B for his predictions.
Why?
I don't know. What did he predict? Like 80K this month or 100K?
Oh yeah. Bitcoin should already be at 100K basically. but like, okay. That's
yeah. This is manipulation. This is worldwide manipulation because we're tied to the broader market now.
Like the equity market.
I noticed that. We got tied into the broader market about a couple weeks ago, and that shit.
Oh no, it's been like a year and a half.
Yeah.
Really? I've just been noticing the crypto market with the stock market personally. That stuff has been as soon as the stock market opens and it goes down, my crypto is more than likely going down.
Yeah, that's what I mean. They're tied. They mirror each other now.
But then when you see the stock market at all-time highs, you still see crypto not doing as well.
all right, guys. I just sold.
Well, you also have to remember which stock market you're talking about, because the broad market is an amalgamation of like 20 different markets, you know, and then we have the Nasdaq and the Dow, and they have, in the last couple of weeks, they have not been moving together. They've been moving against each other.
I just sold 47K of ETH. I'm gonna withdraw 40K to BlockFi here. Just earn some interest. Oh, damn it! I hate that BlockFi just logs you out so freaking fast. Let's see here.
But yeah, I saw like someone questioning that in Discord. They were like, "What's up with crypto? I thought it was supposed to be like a hedge against everything and like a hedge against inflation, but here it is going with the broader market." And I was like, understandable. I get that.
Well,
I haven't
it's
seen it as a hedge yet.
no, it's simple. It's like now if you have bigger players. The bigger players trade the same way. And so yeah.
It's that and also I think what we're seeing, what we're all hoping to see is a revisit of like 3 years ago in crypto. And something that I think a lot of people aren't paying attention to is that as crypto becomes more widely adopted and accepted, it becomes more of a balance game against the broad market and against currencies. So with Solana, I know everyone's trying to, me included, everyone's waiting for it to moon. But at the same time, because of the use case scenario of Solana and the major acceptance of Solana and its rapid growth, I'd hate to say it, but I'm the back of my mind is telling me that we're seeing a stabilization of the prices, because that's what happens when you're trying to have any type of currency for a utility, for a use case. You can't have giant swings. You have to have some sort of stability. And
we're not there. I don't think we're even close to being that stage, dude. Like Bitcoin's not even close to being that.
But we're closer to that stage than we were 3 years ago.
Yeah. You got a lot less people in crypto. Yeah. So let's see here. Like we're still gonna see 10, 20 X's in altcoins. I think we'll see that in Solana. Okay. There was an interface here to convert USD to USDC pretty easy. Let's see here. Where was it? Fiat markets. USDC. Where was it?
Yeah, speaking of, was there something going on with the Solana network earlier? I think I heard something about that, but I was totally trying to swap some of my Oogie coin for USDC on Radium, and that shit still hasn't went through. Like, I hope they cancel my stuff type stuff, because my transaction still hasn't went through.
Oh,
so I don't know,
on Radium?
I don't know if Solana went through a hiccup earlier today or something.
I heard Narf say earlier that Solana was having problems today.
Yeah.
He didn't go into it though.
Yeah, I don't know. I haven't done anything. I mean, I did trade some FIDA. I traded some FIDA back into SOL, but it was just
really?
very little.
What'd
It
you
worked.
use? Because I'm trying to get some USDC because I need to buy this domain.
Mm-hmm.
The auction ends in like over 24 hours. A little bit
You have to use FIDA now. It's not USDC on Bonfida.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, but I use Radium.
I'm gonna try again, but like, yeah.
Also, something I was kind of uneasy about, Titan being the big guy that he is. I don't know how much weight you want to put on his words, but he was talking about he doesn't see Solana going past 300 this cycle.
What? He tweeted that?
No, he was talking about it in a space.
Why? What was his thesis? I think he's wrong, but yeah.
See it run. I don't know. I wanted to question him more about it, but I didn't get a chance.
Yeah, I think he's wrong. I think he must be a short cycle guy. He must be thinking that it's going.
I mean,
in
isn't he
some-
one of the founders of Sol or
What? No,
early or something? Or no? Oh, okay.
no, dude. He's a young kid.
Oh, okay.
He made a lot of money trading crypto. He's a cool dude. He launched his own project, portals and stuff. But
Yeah, I saw that.
yeah, I will 100% disagree with him.
Leon, did you get a portal?
Yeah, I bought two. I still have
It's
them.
just what confuses me, like when you go on there, how do you know which one to get? Like the one that's 11 soul or 14 soul? Like how do you know which one?
Oh, wait. You're talking about a different portal. You're talking about the cards, right?
Yeah.
I didn't buy those. I missed out on those. It just depends, right? Like you're just trying to flip something, right? So again, if you're just trying to flip something, buy the floor. Either you buy the floor, or you buy the rarest one, right? Like you don't want to get messed up in the middle.
But like if you're trying to buy it to hold.
Yeah,
Well,
same thing.
I think what you're talking about is what the difference is between the cards. Because I grabbed a couple. I didn't get a chance to grab them when I wanted to because I was waiting for transfers, and by the time I got transferred through, everything doubled. It's kind of annoying, but the only thing that was driving me towards one card over another was the number. Like, find a cool number, because think of it as like an apartment building. You're gonna have a room in your apartment building, in this giant metaverse apartment building, and if you want to start a business or something, or have people come by, have a clubhouse, you want something that people can remember easy.
Mm-hmm.
And what was that?
Nice. What did I sell Ethereum at? Sold it at 41.37.
Like somebody was telling me to get a Angamon NFT, but it's just like so many. I don't know which one to even choose.
So again, you buy one you think is cool, but I would buy at the floor, right? So like again, if you're trying to sell it later, right? Or if you're trying to if you believe in the project, if you think the community is strong and it'll be here in a year, which is going to 90% of NFTs won't, then get an alien or something, like alien zombies, right? So there you have zombies, then you have aliens. Aliens are rare.
Hey, Sol just spiked. Sol ETH trading pair just spiked.
Yeah, so I'm looking. I can see it just in my chart. If you look, it's like, look, this Sol is up, ETH is down on this 15-minute. Sol strong.
I'm pretty confident that Ethereum is at a now 4,000 floor, or close around there. I don't think it'll go past 38.
Yeah. I still think Sol is going up from here, but I just need some USDC. So that is done. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else. I think I'm probably gonna withdraw my Solana here back to, let's see.
Are you trying to stake the USDC, or what are you trying to do with the USDC?
Oh yeah, it's on BlockFi. Let me double check if it's there, just to earn interest. Basically, I want to sit at just earning that 9%.
Oh, there are nine.
Yeah, just through the holidays, I want a USDC position, basically at zero. I mean, I got like a little bit, but I want a bigger USDC position. Why is it not in here yet? I always say that when it's not here, like that should have transferred. Let me see.
Hey, I gotta say, BlockFi is a fucking bitch when it comes to trying to use transfer anything. They're annoying.
Oh yeah. Oh, it hasn't even. Okay, it hasn't processed yet. See, this is the thing with Coinbase. I started my process to withdraw my USDC. It's pending. But I guess let me
Yeah,
double
because they
check.
gotta go scrounge up all the coin that they leveraged out on your coins.
And that is my Blockfolio. Okay, cool. Cool, guys. Okay, looks like we're at the top of the hour. Mecha Souls is minting this Saturday, 7 p.m. UTC. I believe that is 11 or 12 Central. I don't know, but 7 p.m. UTC. Definitely check them out. I've been consulting with them. So basically, you're gonna be able to stake your mechas and earn these passive tokens, mecha tokens, and they're gonna have additional mints. So that they're gonna have a weapon mint and an item mint, and well, I guess I shouldn't say what the other mint is, but those are gonna be they're not gonna require Solana. They're gonna require mecha tokens. So just passively owning a mecha, you'll generate a certain mecha token over time, and then you can mint these awesome weapons. And I have some cool ideas that I want to tell Ganesh. That's the CEO, that's the founder, not the project. To introduce.
Wait.
What?
Wait, you need in-game token for the second mint?
Yeah. So when you stake a mecha, you'll generate these tokens over time. So it's the same thing with the dragons. You get buku. Same thing with the Tayoko robots, or however you say that. You generate scrap. I get 5 scrap every day.
So, hey, did you get me on the whitelist?
I don't know. Like, did I? Like, I think I may have sent your stuff over. I don't know. But are you in there and doing stuff? Let's see.
What was that?
Already sold. Hold on a second. How many are you thinking of minting?
Like 2.
Oh, all right.
Maybe 3 if I can.
I'm probably minting 6 to 10.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Maybe I'll go hard then.
I mean, you don't have to, dude. Like, yeah, like I think a good half dozen of these guys, because I want to like hopefully get a rare. So.
Please get me on the list.
Hey Leon, can I ask you something?
Well, yeah, what's up?
I want to buy like a piece of land just to hold for the future. Like, where do you suggest I go? Should I get like a soul stead, or because I'm still new to this?
Okay, do you have a Neo Nexus? Go to let me go to their Twitters. You want to get one of these buildings, Neo Nexus.
Yeah, the Neo Nexuses are cheap right now.
Yeah, they're super cheap, dude. Yeah, I'll just retweet their Twitter so you can find them on there on Magic Eden. Just type in Neo Nexus.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're super cheap.
Just get anyone you can afford, basically, and look that you think's rare.
Well, I mean, dude, rare ones are gonna be expensive, right? So,
You should get an apartment first. You should get a residence, I think.
Okay.
And then a property.
yeah, I've got 2 residents and then I've got 4 commercial buildings. But I think
Yeah, I
Nepa.
managed to get, Leon, I managed to get some last night. They were still available when I got home.
Is it sold out now or no?
I don't know. I didn't check this morning. But there were like 70 buildings last night.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think something also that people are not paying attention to is some of those things have billboards. And the billboards you'll probably be able to use as advertising space in the future. So look for that too.
Dude, I want the one with a spaceship. I have a question I need to ask. Jack. Like, can we ride in that spaceship?
Isn't that a planetarium?
No. So if you go to the attributes, there's something that says Starship or something like that, and it'll say it has one or it doesn't have one.
Oh, you got lucky.
I don't have one. I don't have one.
Food mall. I got some kind of like food mall. It's like giant building that sells food, I guess, or something.
A food mall? That's cool. Dude, I got a Chinese restaurant. I've got a coffee shop, a juice shop, and a club. And I'm like, okay, hey, this is good. That's good. People get healthy. People get their coffee. Yeah, robotics club, dude.
Oh, I got an Android
And hey, that's kind of cool, dude. With the robots get, I'm telling, dude, if Jack like fulfills his vision, this is gonna be a badass world to hang out in, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this space. I'm gonna end the stream. Thanks for watching. What are you minting? Let me reply. Mecha Souls NFT. Mint is December 11th, 7 p.m. UTC. I will be minting Chill Chat also and A Rebel Cartel on Twitter. So that's what I'm minting in the next few days. Nothing else. Okay, let me